Hello guys. My name is Rada, and I will be your teacher for the software design pattern in Python. Before we start, I want to show you what you will learn in today's video. In this video, we will understand and see an example in Python of the prototype pattern. I will use Python 3.8. So, let us start. The prototype pattern is used to clone an existing object to create another similar object. We will take an example to understand more. We have a car object. We want to create another similar car object, but with a different color, for example. A simple way to do that is by instantiating another car object from the class of the object car, and to copy the attributes, one by one from the first object to the second, but the problem here is that some attributes could be private, so you cannot copy them, and you should also know the class of the object car, to be able to create another object, of the same class, which is not always easy.
Okay guys, let's create the class car. Let's call it car. Okay. We will give it some parameter, the name of the car, maybe the speed and the color. Okay, the color. Okay. So we give it some attributes, name, speed, color. Okay. Some setters for the attributes. Set color. Okay, we just put one setter for the color. Okay. I will add a method. I will add a method to print the info of the car. I just write print car name is f string car speed is kilometer per hour. Car color is color. Okay, great. Now we will just program if name name this instantiate class car. Okay, I will give the name of the car. Let's call it first car. First car, this is the name. Speed, I say 300 kilometers per hour. And the color, let's say red. Okay, now let's print the info. Run. Okay, so the car name is first car speed 300 km, and car color is red. Everything's great. Okay. Now let's try to copy the car object in another car object. Let's call the second car object car 2, car 2. Okay, so okay, then we will change the color in the car 2. Let's make it black. Okay, and let's print the info of the car. Okay, I will put a line between to separate. Okay, let's run it. Okay, the first car is okay, then the second car, the color is black. Great. But now if we print the first car again, let's see. Print car, print info. Let's see. Run. Here you can see that the first car is also a black one. Why? Why the color changed? Because car 2 and car are the same objects. So if we print those objects, car and car, and print car 2, run, you can see here that's the address of the car 1 and the address of the car 2. They have the same address. That means that they are the same object. So if we change one of those objects, the other one will change too. That's what we call the shallow copy. The objects are pointing to the same address in the memory. So they are the same thing. So what we need to do to fix this is to use a deep copy. So here we will import a module, import module copy to use the deep copy. Okay, so here when we copy, we will use this method called deep copy. Okay, and we will give it the car here. Now if we execute again, we see here that the first car is still red and the second one is black. That's because in the deep copy, if we look here, we don't have the same addresses, the same memory addresses. That means in the deep copy, we copy the attribute of the object in another memory place, not at the same memory place. So they have the same attribute, but they have different memory place, so we can change them without problem. You must be careful with this when you make these copies and you want to use the two objects, but you want to change one of them. You have to be careful that they both change at the same time when you use the shallow copy. If you want to use them differently, you have to use the deep copy. And that's it.
You can see now that using the prototype pattern, we can clone the object car as many times as we want, using the deep copy, which Python already provide for us. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I see you soon.